Hey friends, I hope you're having an awesome day so far. Recently I found this Back to the Future shirt, and I thought it would be perfect for a DIY t-shirt cutting project. First, like usual, I cut off the sleeves. Then I cut the bottom seam off the shirt. I did this design for a friend, so I didn't want to cut it too much just in case. But since there was no seam down the sides of the shirt, I went ahead and made a bunch of slits down each side of the shirt. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll just make a slit down the center of the area that I'm going to cut slits down, and then I'll cut that section in half and then that section in half again. And that way it's a little bit easier for me to eyeball even slits down the shirt. I decided to try a little asymmetrical look on the shoulder. Next time I might add the shoulder design on both sides. I did a little bit of weaving down each side of the shirt, and when I got to the bottom, then I cut it and tied it at the sides. I kind of stretched out the strands here just to make a little bit more room for weaving. Alice was sure to make an appearance for this video. She always loves to see what's going on and loves to help out with creative projects. I thought it turned out okay. I hope you're also having a lot of fun with your spring and summer fashion, and I look forward to seeing you next time, friends.